Welcome to how to start a YouTube automation channel and monetize it quickly. Now, YouTube automation, for those of you that might not know what it is basically just the idea that you can start a YouTube channel, upload videos without ever showing your face, and then monetize it in the form of ad revenue and other ways. Okay? Now, you can make thousands of dollars every single month. Some people even are able to make tens of thousands of dollars every single month just uploading videos to YouTube channels without ever getting on camera themselves. This course is gonna show you how to do that. So really briefly, this is what you're gonna learn in this course. First, we'll cover how to actually monetize a YouTube channel, the requirements and how you can do it relatively quickly, obviously, if you're putting in consistent work and uploading consistent videos. Now, you don't need to ever show your face, but you do actually need to create the videos, and we're gonna cover my simple 4-step process of how you can create videos very, very quickly without ever recording anything like this. And you don't need to speak if you don't want to. There's a million different ways to approach it. I'm gonna give you a 4-step process. First step in that process is simply picking a niche, right? Because the niche that you pick is going to make a large difference. If you pick something that's in demand, then obviously you're going to be able to monetize a lot faster because you'll get a lot more views. Right? If you pick something that's not in demand, you're really fighting an uphill battle. So we'll cover that in that lecture. Also, you want to pick something that's specific enough where you can kind of build repeat viewers and repeat interest, but also broad enough so that you have a number of video ideas and you don't run out of videos to create. Then we'll cover how to create a winning script. I'll show you how you can basically not ensure, because nothing on YouTube is ever, 100% certain, but basically model your videos after other videos within your niche that are already working. And we're literally just going to paraphrase those scripts and we'll create a script super quickly using software. Okay. It's very, very cool. Then we'll move on to how to actually create a winning voiceover. Now, a lot of these things you can outsource if you want to. We'll cover that later on in the course. Although I'll teach you how to use different softwares to actually read your script for you, or you can even read it yourself and then slightly change your voice if you're worried for whatever reason that somebody might recognize your voice. We'll cover all of that in that lecture. Then we'll cover several ways to create video graphics for your videos. So for example, you can overlay a bunch of pictures and just have a fast moving slideshow. You can create cartoon graphics for your videos. You can also just overlay Creative Commons videos, which are reuse allowed. So you can actually use other people's videos that are allowed to be reused on YouTube, clip them up a little bit, and then overlay them as video graphics on top of your script. And then you're creating your own original content. And I'll also teach you how to use a software that will literally automate that entire process for you. I kid you not. You can upload your video script and it will literally create video graphics for you in video format automatically. It's a game changer of a software. So we're going to cover that in step 4. Then I'll give you an entire walkthrough, because obviously I'm going to feed you like the puzzle pieces. So I'll give you the 4-step process in each individual step, but then I'll walk you through me literally creating a video from step 1 to step 4 all the way through. Then I'll teach you how to add automated caption graphics to your videos, which will allow people to read through really cool text that pops up and literally word for word is on the screen with what you're saying, so that people are reading the text as they're listening and watching the videos. It's going to increase your audience retention, obviously increase your watch time, and help you monetize faster. It's a game changer of a software as well, and it's also 100% free. So you can run videos through that caption software in a few minutes, and it's going to increase your audience retention significantly. Then there's an entire section on how you can actually monetize using affiliate marketing or CPA marketing before you even hit 1,000 subscribers. And even after you hit 1,000 subscribers, you should be combining affiliate marketing with YouTube ad revenue and brand deals as well, because obviously you're going to get access to brand deals as you grow. But those are 3 ways that you can monetize over the long haul. But you should not wait until you get 1,000 subscribers and just wait on ad revenue. You should be monetizing through affiliate marketing ahead of time. So we'll cover how to do that in that section. Then if you want to outsource this business, whether you want to outsource it in the beginning or you want to outsource it as you scale in the future, what most people teach, with this YouTube automation business is to outsource everything in the business, hence the automation portion of YouTube automation. That's why they call it YouTube automation, right? So for example, most people teach to hire a script writer, right? Hire a virtual assistant that's going to do your voiceover, and then hire somebody to actually create video graphics for you. Although the issue with that is that's going to cost you money, right? That's a monetary investment that you have to put out every single video. So obviously I'm going to teach you how to do that in this specific video here. If you want to hire somebody for all of those pieces, I'll run you through exactly how you can do that. I have a lot of experience hiring virtual assistants. I've had 3 full-time virtual assistants for almost a year now. So I know what I'm talking about. I've hired several different people and I've trained them, paid them, communicated with them. I'll teach you all of that in this actual lecture here, but you don't have to do that. If you don't want to do that or you're not interested in that, then you can skip that lecture, and the entire 4-step process will teach you how you can do it yourself so quickly, and you'll never have to hire anybody. I'm just adding it in there in case you want to hire somebody and outsource it, whether you want to take your time out of the equation in the beginning, even though it's not going to take you very long to create these videos with the 4-step process like we covered, or you want to, obviously outsource it as you scale. That option's there for you. So I wanted to give you that option. Then there's going to be an entire section on how to create more clickable thumbnails. Obviously, we're not going to spend hours and hours creating like crazy thumbnails like Mr. Beast, who literally spends thousands of dollars, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars building studios just for his thumbnails. We're not doing any of that, but I'm going to give you a simple process on how you can create clickable thumbnails that are high quality, how to actually create them from scratch. That's going to increase your click-through rate, which is one of the main things that YouTube looks for when they're worried about suggesting your videos. So if you can increase your click-through rate on your videos, this thumbnail section will help you do that. And if you can increase the audience retention on your videos, which obviously in the first place will make a major difference on that, but also adding the captions and all the other tricks that we're going to cover in this course will help you do as well. If you can do both of those things and you can upload consistently doing those things, then it's not a matter of if, it's just simply a matter of when, and you will monetize a YouTube automation channel relatively fast. So with that being said, let's jump into the course and get going.